Introducing the DG M2200 Pro, a solar-powered generator designed for green, efficient, and faster charging. Harnessing the power of solar energy, this portable generator is environmentally friendly, pollution-free, and low carbon. Its innovative design incorporates an MPPT controller, enabling the portable solar panel to charge the power bank at the highest voltage and maximum power. The DG M2200 Pro portable power station is equipped with an automotive-grade, ternary lithium battery known as the power battery. With a density of 100 Wh/kg, higher than traditional LiFePO4 batteries, it stores more electric energy, providing a prolonged lifespan and a powerful output to support high-power devices. Operating seamlessly in temperatures ranging from -10 degrees Celsius to 40 degrees Celsius, and certified by UL, SIR, and PSE, boasting an impressive 2220 Wh capacity, a high rated power of 2200 W, and a peak power reaching 4500 W. The DG M2200 Pro battery generator is a versatile power solution for both indoor and outdoor use. Whether charging household appliances like refrigerators, rice cookers, blenders, coffee machines, TVs, and more, the DG M2200 Pro solar generator portable features a diverse array of charging ports, allowing simultaneous charging of up to 13 devices. Equipped with 3 x 2200 WAC outlets, 2 x DC ports, 3 x USB-A ports, 1 x USB QC 3.0 port, 3 x Type-C ports, and 1 x car charging output, this sole generator ensures you can power almost all your devices anytime. Backed by a 1-year warranty, the DG M2200 Pro offers peace of mind. In the event of product issues, we provide replacement or repair services based on the product conditions. Customer satisfaction is our priority, and we encourage you to reach out with any questions or suggestions. Our responsive team is dedicated to solving your problems promptly. Choose us for a brand that values meeting customers' needs to the fullest. Your satisfaction is guaranteed.